All right, so I have the new limited edition Skywalker Legacy Saber set. Just came out for May the 4th today. I haven't even had time to translate this and see what it actually says on the box, but I've heard the box is super special, so I'm really excited to open this up and see what's inside. Oh, it plays music. I love it. And this is the sabers wrapped up just like when Rey buried them on Tatooine. Leather strap. Wow. So we have Rey's saber, the reforged Skywalker. Has the leather, there we go. Has the leather on the grip, where she put it back together in The Rise of Skywalker. And then we have the one that I was most excited about, because this has never been released before. We have Leia's lightsaber. General Leia's lightsaber, and they do have an interchangeable emitter, so you can actually put a blade in it. But this is the display head. This is what I'll be using when I put it on display. But that is a beautiful saber. Has kind of a marble stone inlay looking thing right there. Love this lightsaber. This was what I wanted in the set. The box with the music and the Anakin saber, that's all just bonus because this is pretty awesome. Overall, I'm very excited that I came and got one of these today. May the 4th be with you. Happy Star Wars Day, everyone.